Hi, this is Jeffrey Rhoades from experimentalhomesteader.com, and I'm doing our unboxing video today. I did pre-cut the box open. I'm going to leave the rest of the packages to open on video, but figured it was easier just to open the box. Haven't looked inside of it yet, and I wanted to let you know before I get started, we did receive these items for free or at a reduced price for Honest Opinions. Somewhere in here there's supposed to be a gift for me, so I'm looking forward to that. I have no idea what's in these things. So let's get started. I'm going to move these off to the side. I'm going to start with the box itself. And let's see what we have here. Okay, we have a paperwork saying what's in the box. Okay, we've got two items in here. These are both from Blitz U. One is an LED camping light, and one is a Halo 960 headlight with daytime running lights. This is a bicycle light. It's a bicycle headlight, rechargeable. Let's open this up, take a look at it. Okay, this is your charger. So plug it in and charge the battery. This, figure out how to open it. Okay, those are attaching. Okay, this is the actual headlight itself. Okay. Evidently it needs to be charged. It's not turning on. See if I can get it out of the plastic baggie. Okay. So yeah, these are it goes on the bike handlebar. It has little hooks here. These straps will stretch around and attach it to the bike. This will plug in, I believe, to this. Yep, there we go. And there it goes. The battery is charged. It just wasn't attached to the battery. Okay, so we have, there's a light there. That's probably the daytime running light. Yep, and there's the nighttime light. Okay. And we have some different different settings. Okay. It does have two buttons on the back here. The red button here, which looks like it has kind of a sun on it, that's for turning on the daytime running light that I showed you. And then the other button turns on the nighttime light. And you can turn them both on at the same time if you want to. This has attachment straps so that you can attach it to your bike wherever you need to have it. Plenty of cord here. And it has a nice glow that it's plugged in and ready to use. So this is a very nice bike light. There we go. And I look forward to being able to use this, put it on a bike, and be able to ride around and have a nice bright light on the bike. Okay. Now let's away and move on to the next item. This is LED camping light. Okay. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay. Is there... Yep. This one takes AA batteries, so we'll have to get some rechargeable batteries to put in this to be able to play with it. But it looks very nice. It's got a number of banks of lights in here. And obviously, you put the batteries in, you keep it closed, it's not doing anything. When you extend it out, it'll brighten, it'll light up, and it'll work just real nice. Has hangers for hanging it up inside of a tent or from a tree or anything like that. Very nice little product here. Look forward to seeing just how bright it is at night and playing with it and having a good time with it. Okay. Yeah, it takes 3 batteries. Looks like it's 60 lumens. So, okay. That's a nice one there. And I'll put all this over here, halfway. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can move this. This sounds like it's supplements. There we go. Tear into the packaging. Okay. We have... This is from Pacific Coast Nutrilabs. This is CoQ10 Platinum. And vitamin D3 Platinum. So there's some D3 and some CoQ10, which I'm not real sure what that is, but we'll figure that out. There's everything in that one. I'm not sure what that's for. I know what the D3 is for, so we'll play with those. Let's set them over here for now. Bring everything back onto the table in a few minutes. Okay. Sometimes I think it's harder to get into the packaging than it is to get everything out. Okay. This looks like Garden of Hawaii whipped shea butter. Okay. Definitely not something I use. And this is Cherry Honey Bomb Soap. My Body Utopia. Okay. This is it. Yeah. My wife Sheri will be loving this stuff. She loves these things. Nice packaging. Actually doesn't smell too bad. I kind of like that. I'm not going to use it myself probably, but it smells good, so hopefully I won't have an allergic reaction or anything like that. Okay, we have, okay, this one has been partially opened, but we'll, okay, what do we have here? I'm not sure what this is at all. Okay. Okay, this is a car mount. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a cell phone or yeah, it's a car mount for, say, a cell phone or an iPod or any kind of device, MP3 player. Okay.
It's a vent mount.
Okay. Yeah, it's an air vent, universal air vent series. So it'll attach into the air vent. It's got a ball on the end here that'll attach into this, and so it's a nice rotational position any way you want it. But it attaches to the vent. Okay. Packaging. There we go. So we don't lose anything. Okay, one last package. Okay, let's get into this one. Oh. Okay, what do we got here? Yes, okay. This is a solar energy aircraft. basically a small model that I will get to build. It's solar powered, and I can have some fun building that and powering it solarly. It's a biplane. I think this will be fun to play with. I like building models, always have, but this will be a new one in the fact that it's solar powered, and we'll have to see how well it flies once I get it built. If it flies. I'm assuming it does, but this may be entertaining. Okay, so we have the solar powered aircraft. We have the cherry honey bomb soap, the Garden of Hawaii shea butter. We have the supplements D3 and CoQ10, the vent car mount for cell phone. We have the LED camping light, and we have the bicycle headlamp. Okay, was that everything? Yes, okay. So these are all the products we got today. They're very nice. Looking forward to testing and trying out some of these products. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on the blog at experimentalhomesteader.com. And thank you and have a great day.